For you and me, we travelers buy a drone to shoot videos of the places we'll be visiting. But when we're crossing borders, not being aware of the local laws can cost us fines, hassle, the loss of our precious drone, or worse.
Damn.
Bonjour, CELINE here. Welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you. I'm a TV journalist and a fan of new technologies. So if it's your first time here and if you want to see more reviews, tutorials and sometimes vlog, consider subscribing. At any point in this video, check out my links below in the description if you want to know more about the subject I'll be talking about here. Now, let's see where and how we can use safely our precious drones. Let's talk about the countries I've been to because I checked with the embassies and authorities just to be on the safe side. If you're using a small drone like the Dji Spark or the Mavic Air, here are the rules you need to keep in mind when you are in France. You cannot use your drone in big cities, such as Paris, and in crowded areas. Always keep your drone within sight, and in some places you cannot fly above 30 meters.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey,
Don't fly over crowded area, and when there are a few people in close proximity, please respect their privacy. They might not want to be in your footage, especially if you are going to upload your footage on YouTube. This one is obvious. You aren't allowed to film near military bases or near airports. If you click on my description down below, you'll see a link to the French authorities which shows a map where you can and cannot film. Using a drone in Israel is allowed, but you need to follow these rules. You can fly up to 50 meters, which means 164 feet. The drone needs to remain within sight always. Flying a drone in Israel is allowed during daytime only. Nighttime flights needs a special approval. Please be aware that there are drone ban zones, and here is the list. And here is a $10,000 advice. Please call the embassy before taking your drone with you to Israel. Give them maximum of information about where you live, your nationality and your birthplace, and they will let you know if you will or won't have problems at customs. When I called the embassy, they advised me not to take my drone with me as I might get it confiscated by the authorities, and I didn't want to risk losing my €850 drone. So, where will you be traveling with your drone? Drop a line in the comment section down below. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Mais oui, abonne-toi, tu vas voir, c'est sympa. Thanks for being such awesome subscribers. I really enjoy chatting with you and I will see you next Monday. Salut!